Every kid's mission on Halloween is to find the house with the full-size candy bars. So I've turned my house into the ultimate trick-or-treater destination. I'm gonna use $1.5 million worth of drones to take the guesswork out for the kids. So they're gonna see and know to come here. And when the trick-or-treaters arrive, we're gonna treat them to an amazing Halloween drone light show. But first, we have to set this all up. I'm okay with getting too much candy. What I don't want to have happen is the entire town was invited. I don't want to run out of candy. I don't want to get my house egged. I think a couple more.
Oh my god, hey, you should actually show up. Look at this. Hold on, what? So we're pulling up. Yeah, we're pulling up. That's so cool.
There's over $1,000 worth of candy here. I wanted them to have all the options because I don't want anybody to come here and say, well, you didn't have this and I didn't have a good time. So we got it all. Do the Feastables go on the top shelf? They're top shelf candy, right? So let's put it on the top. We're getting the house all spooked up here. It's looking good. It's almost done. I'm gonna go check in with the crew and see if they want some full-size candy bars. Would you rather have a Mr. Beast Feastable Crunch Bar? D's Nuts.
D's Nuts.
Wait, you don't know what the
D's
other
Nuts.
one is. Okay, fine. You can have D's Nuts.
Thank you.
Would you rather have Mr. Beast Feastables or that Drone Show Guy sticker?
That drone guy sticker.
That's right. And you get one of each now.
Oh, right on.
Because that was the right answer. Okay, Ross, we're gonna go get in position. You finish up your stuff, and we'll tell you when to go.
All right, clear the grid. 7:15.
Those beams look amazing.
First lift. Drones are in the air. Drones are in the air. Dancing out to first image here. There's a bang. Here we go. Full size coming up now.
Any questions?
Trick or treats!
What can I get you? How's it hanging?
What flavors of Mr. Beast are there?
We have milk chocolate, D's Nuts, and Crunch.
Can I have some milk chocolate, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
These nuts.
You got it. First D's Nuts of the night.
Thank you. Crunch.
Crunch, you got it. Do you know who I'm dressed as?
No.
I'm David S. Pumpkins. How do you not know that?
Can I have a Mr. Beast chocolate bar?
The milk chocolate?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Love the costume.
Can I have the normal Feastable?
Absolutely.
Are you Mr. Beast?
Nobody sent me this candy for free.
Mr. Beast bar?
Regular, These Nuts, or Crunch?
Regular.
You got it. You want me to put it in there? Nope.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat, you got it.
There's a line like around the block.
There's a line around the block. Oh, yeah. So this.
Do you want to send the second show?
Yes, in the second show.
Okay.
How's it going?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
We haven't run out of candy yet. Is the show going?
Such a screech, you'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. A spooky, scary skeleton shouts startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak under sarcophagus and just won't leave you be.
Just their parents. To some kids, that's more scary than the monsters.